Well, here we are guys, it's June and all I can say is it is hot. ACs are blasting, which means the electricity bills are going through the roof, and I can't help but think there must be a better way to beat this heat. So hi guys, I'm Pooja and I've put together some of the summer cool down hacks to show the sun who is the boss. So all these hacks are super easy and affordable to do, so come on, let's find out. Okay guys, so the first thing that you can do is stay inside. Avoid the hottest parts of the day. Like in this weather, like conserving your energy is the key, guys.
Well, you may say I'm lazy, but I say I'm practicing responsible energy conservation daily.
So if you don't want to be hot, you gotta stay inside. Okay, so I wanted to share a few things that are healthy and affordable. So starting with the food hack. So do have a lot of veggies with high water content like cucumber, lettuce, and a lot of fruits like watermelon, strawberries and pineapple.
Also, you can make some frozen fruit snacks, like just get any fruit of your choice, for example watermelon, and all you have to do is chop, blend and pour and just freeze it, and here you have these nice frozen fruit snacks which you can have it at any time.
So next up are the summer drinks to help you cool down. So guys, do avoid those sugar loaded drinks and rather have lemonade, and like definitely make curd a daily part of your routine. So have coconut water, like that's my favorite drink. It acts as a coolant and it's very refreshing. Well, heat stroke is a real thing guys. Well, I don't want a heat stroke, you don't want a heat stroke, we all don't want a heat stroke. So one thing you can do is keep yourself hydrated. Drink a lot of water.
Okay, so one way I finally got myself to drink more water was by getting these super cute water bottles, and seriously guys, it does help.
But guys, especially during this weather, since you're sweating so much, you need to have lots and lots of water. So it not only keeps you hydrated, but it has a lot of health benefits. It keeps your skin glowing, and guys, your body is made up of 75% water, so it's very important.
Okay, so I'll stop pestering you by drinking water, but drink water.
So since we're on the topic of hydration, so it's not just internally but externally as well. So I know it can be quite tempting to skip the moisturizer during this weather because you're all like sweaty and like I know it's really bad. But guys, especially during this weather, it's so important to moisturize and don't forget your SPF. Like, just don't step out of your house without a sunscreen. So you know guys, when you get inside your car and you get in there and you're like, like you cannot touch your car, it's like literally lava inside. You can literally bake cookies in there. Just get your cookie dough, put the pan up there, and it's pretty much an oven. So one thing you can do is, whenever you get out of your car, just put your AC on full blast
and then turn your car off. So when you get back in your car, so you'll actually see that it takes less time to cool your car down.
Okay, so guys, I know you've heard this before, but you definitely need to try this one. Just keep your lotions and your sunscreen in the fridge, and you know, whenever you take it out and you apply it, it feels so cool and nice, I can't tell you. Okay guys, so most of the people like to drink their beverages cold, so I've got this hack. Like if you have like guests over and you know, in an emergency you don't have any cold beverage in your fridge for you, just pick it up from a pantry and it's not cold, there's one hack that you can do.
So just go ahead and wet a paper towel and wrap it around your bottle and then stick it in your freezer. After about like 10-15 minutes, your drink should be cooled significantly.
Okay, so the next hack is clothes. Like you need to really opt for like loose fitting clothes and breathable fabrics like cotton, linen,
and also opt for some light color clothes. Like I'm in love with pastels, like go for beige, pink, yellows.
And also guys, I really don't understand how can people wear closed shoes like during this weather. So guys, just wear your slip-ons and open-toed sandals and you're good to go. And guys, baby wipes, like they are among the laziest products in the market. Just keep like a pack of wipes in your bag and you can just like, you know, use it whenever you're traveling or whenever like it's so hot and you don't have anything around. Just get a wipe on and just wipe your face. Okay guys, so if nothing else works, you can always try mind over matter approach. So just put yourself in a cool place mentally and think of all the cool things possible, like
Eskimos, icebergs. No, still not cold.
so just basically trick your body in playing along. Okay, so that's it from my side guys, and please do follow all these hacks and tips that I gave you, and let's beat this heat wave together. Oh my god, I'm like shooting this outside and it's like around 5 o'clock, but it's still so damn hot. So you can very well understand how much I love you guys. Anyway, so thank you for tuning into my channel again, and I'll see you next time. Bye.